Learn how to naturally increase your nitric oxide levels, which is a chemical that plays a crucial role in helping your blood carry oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. By maintaining optimal levels of nitric oxide, you can prevent cardiovascular diseases and improve exercise performance. Here are 5 ways to increase your nitric oxide naturally. Eat vegetables high in nitrates. Your body can produce more nitric oxide if you consume plant-based nitrates found in vegetables like celery, spinach, beetroot, and lettuce. These nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, providing you with many benefits related to heart health and exercise performance. However, be aware that not all nitrates are safe, and you should avoid sodium nitrate found in processed meats. Get more antioxidants. Antioxidants can help boost nitric oxide stability and inhibit its decomposition. Foods rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, E, polyphenols, and glutathione found in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds can be beneficial in maintaining nitric oxide levels. Drinking beetroot juice is another great option as it contains antioxidants, iron, vitamins, and can increase blood flow to muscle tissue. Use nitric oxide boosting supplements. Although we're discussing natural ways to increase nitric oxide, taking nitric oxide boosters like L-citrulline and arginine supplements can provide your body with the substance required to produce nitric oxide. These supplements are found in dairy, red meat, fish, chicken, beans, melons, and almonds. Dedicate more time to exercise. Regular exercise promotes the health of your endothelial cells and blood vessels, which enhances your body's natural ability to produce nitric oxide. Exercise also improves antioxidant activity, which helps inhibit nitric oxide breakdown caused by free radicals. Don't overuse mouthwash. While mouthwash is great for killing bacteria and reducing the risk of dental problems and cavities, excessive use can destroy the bacteria needed for nitric oxide generation. This can inhibit nitric oxide production for up to 12 hours. By implementing these 5 tips into your lifestyle, you can help optimize your body's nitric oxide production and improve your overall health. Don't forget to subscribe to Cured by Earth to stay updated on natural remedy facts, and leave any natural cure-related questions in the comments section for future videos. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up.